Welcome to another video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, you're too kind. Today we are going to shoot down and destroy a lot of narratives that exist in the public. Don't be scared. If you ain't part of the problem, you have nothing to worry about. But we locked and we loaded and we ready to go. Feminists better run for cover, because this one, it ain't gonna be nice. Let's go. What you're gonna witness in this video is a man having a back and forth with a woman who he's apparently intending to marry. The problem is this woman's sense of entitlement. Within the first minute of him shooting that video, I would dare say that there's nothing left to be discussed. Switch the phone off and leave, sir. Okay? That woman belongs to the streets. Leave her in the streets and leave her single. If you think you can change her, that's the wrong answer. If you think you're going to out-talk her and try to maneuver her, that's the wrong answer. Her mind is made up and she wants what she wants for herself, not for the benefit of both of you. And that's the problem. Let's go.
You really don't want to go through with the wedding?
No, not no courthouse wedding. No, I don't. I'm not getting married.
Yeah, because you just want to do it for the gram. Like, you just want to show off
for the gram. I
for
want to do
social
it for
media.
Me. We supposed to be getting married at a venue. I already told you that's what I want. Big wedding, big dress, big venue. Everything blinged out. You already know what I want.
Because you just want to flex on your little cousins and your peers. I thought we was doing this for us, though.
We are doing it for us, but we can do it how I said I want it done. If we can't do it how I said I want it done, then we don't have to do it at all. I'm not getting married at no courthouse. What do I look like getting married at a courthouse? Like, that don't even sound right. That's not even a wedding. Like, you being mad cheap right now and mad weird for no reason.
If we can't do it how I said I want it done, we don't have to do it at all. Now you tell me, what kind of marriage is this supposed to be if this man continues along this path? This is one of these decisions that has consequences.
Not being cheap, but you want a whole cruise right now. Okay, you ain't had to pay a dollar.
Okay, that's what you're supposed to do. I'm used to dealing with people with money, who are able to get me whatever I need, whenever I want it, however I want it. You broke, say that. If you broke, just say that, because you being mad cheap and it's mad weird. So that's what I'm used to. You know what I'm used to. You know where I come from. So
you know what I'm used to. You know where I come from. And when I say I want something, I expect it. So here's the $1 million question. If that's what you come from, why are you no longer in that position? Inquiring minds would want to know the answer to that question, correct? If that is where you came from, how is it that you find yourself in a position where you're telling this man what you want, but at the same time saying, well, this is where I come from, and you know how I am. I get what I want when I want it, and you can't question it. Excuse me?
I'm saying, but you know, it ain't never been nothing broke about me. Anything you ask for.
You acting like it?
Anything you ask for, you get. You know what I'm saying?
Everything.
Anything you ask for, you get it. You know what this guy's problem is? She's been treating him like a slot machine that she hit 777s on for the longest, and he's been okay with it, instead of putting her in check. His other problem is that he's still asleep. Right? He's fast asleep, because the first minute of that conversation is enough for me to turn that camera off and kick rocks out of there. Take off like a rocket and not come back. Just be like, oh, yo, I gotta go. Don't give no explanation, nothing. That's it, donezo. If that's my place, then she gotta go. If that's her place, whatever I got in there, I'm not even coming back for it. Because guess what? This relationship is over before it's even starting. There's no point in even going on with this conversation. So you heard this woman's response to him talking about the wedding for yourself. Basically, I want an extravagant wedding the way I want it, or else it's off. Now, if that's what a marriage is going to be like, there's actually no point in getting married. If this is representative of the women that are out there, you're better off just staying on your purpose, staying on your goals, and waiting until you find somebody better. Because that woman right there, she's not it. She don't even look like nothing, but she has this attitude of entitlement. Like, yeah, I'm gonna get what I want because that's what I want. Not about what's good for us as a couple, as a team. What I want. That can't work. Let's see some more. The way this woman was talking just now was, to me, very reminiscent of this person on the screen, Sukiana. She's one of these that has a very bad public image, but somehow she is out there. She's still saying what she wants. Apparently, she still has a large audience. And you have to think to yourself, like, who exactly is propping this person up financially for them to be out there, to be going on trips, to be performing, having a huge following on social media? Like, how? How is it possible? But I need you to listen to what she says about the latest incident where she was sprawled on the ground, twerking and, you know, gyrating basically. I need you to listen to what she says, and you tell me if this woman could ever be wife material. Apparently, she already has children. I don't know if who, and that is not even relevant to the point. But this single mother, apparently, right, with a public persona, this is what she had to say.
I am not the reason that y'all look bad. I do not represent y'all. Y'all represent yourself. I am not your representation. And then y'all be trying to...
I am not the reason y'all look bad. From being like this, sprawled on the ground now, fellas, if you seen your woman like this in the crib, what is it that's gonna go down? Just keep it 1,000 with me. Drop me a comment in the comment section. Keep it clean, obviously. But if you see your woman in the house like this, right? I'm pretty sure it's happened to, men everywhere. What is it that's going to go to your mind? You see her like this on the couch, on the bed, right? Even if y'all about to go out. Let's say she was dressed like this because y'all about to go out, and you see her like this when you come into the room. What do you think immediately? But as she said, she doesn't represent anybody, right? Let's continue.
Make me feel like I gotta change for y'all. Who is y'all? Y'all already looked a mess. Y'all already was a mess. No, stop blaming me for y'all being looking a fool or looking bad. Y'all been looking bad. Y'all been looking bad. Your baby.
So don't blame me for y'all looking bad. Y'all were already looking a mess. So basically, she's saying what she's doing, this was already out here. What she's doing is nothing new. Not only can she not speak proper English, right? Which is apparent just from her talking right now. She's, very low level thinker. But she's saying, whatever I do in public, y'all was already doing this, so why am I taking the heat? The problem is, when a person that is out in the public has no notoriety and they do something stupid, the chances of them having the reach of a person who is a public persona is vastly different. Some random woman twerking in Walmart or Dollar General or something like that might not really garner, a lot of views unless like she's probably, has no drawers or something like that. Maybe, right? But a public figure out in the streets talking about, yeah, I'm looking for a nigga's ass to eat. That is going to garner a lot of views. a public figure on the ground twerking at an award show, it is going to garner a lot of views. So it's either this woman is very stupid or being very ignorant, or is just being sly and she knows exactly what she's out here doing and she's an agent. It's one of them. Because there are people that you can pay enough money to make fools of themselves. Let's not be facetious and, think it's not true. It's entirely possible. But she takes zero accountability. None.
Daddy's been making y'all looking bad. Y'all all been looking bad. Your husband's been making y'all look bad. All y'all been looking bad already. I am not the reason that y'all look bad. I do not represent y'all. Y'all represent yourself. I am not your mother representation. Suki Hana is not nobody's representation. Child, why would y'all even want me as representation? Y'all need representations yourself. I'm always gonna stay the same. All the way back 6 years back. Y'all gonna see me doing the same thing, baby. Ain't nothing about me about to change.
Okay, so she has made it clear that she's not going to change. Now, any man that engages in any kind of relationship with this woman, unless it's strictly physical, is a simp. I mean, if you are going to take the opportunity to hit it because you're attracted to her physically, then I would still say no, but all right, everybody that's an adult, you still do what you want. But there's no way on God's green earth, and also no way in hell, that a man with a modicum of intelligence, understanding, wisdom would ever get with this woman. In a way that she would understand. Ain't no man that's about shit gonna get with your ass. I hope what's understood don't need to be explained, baby. Now I'm going to show you a clip of the kind of woman that you should be looking for, which is in sharp contrast to these two. When I say sharp contrast, I mean the distinction between the two is night and day. A lot of women out here calling themselves queens, they have no idea what it really takes to be a queen. None. Because the queen is supposed to protect the king, not physically, but, in terms of his image, protect his children, protect from enemies coming on the outside. She's supposed to have intel on them. It's bigger than just, being a thought in the streets or claiming you're a queen. Let's take a look.
How much does a man have to make to be with you?
That's between me and my man.
Okay, but I mean, your man is watching.
Like I said, that's between me and my man. It don't matter how much you make.
It don't matter at all?
Listen, if me and my man have established that we gonna be together and we gonna be loyal, then what he make don't matter, because at the end of the day, it's both of us. So if we ain't making shit that month, that year, then that's on us.
So at what age do you feel like a man should have like life kind of together?
We're constantly growing and evolving. So whenever God feels like he completed his will, that's when you'll have everything you desire. Thank you.
A round of applause for that woman. Let me tell you something. Getting a woman like you just saw, it's not going to be easy. But you as the man, you have to lay the groundwork. You have to ask all the right questions about whatever it is that you're trying to do. Whether you're trying to grow a business, start a business, move forward in life, whatever it is, children, all these things, where you're going to live, political views, religion, all you have to cover all the bases, because it's just like the scriptures say, can two walk together unless they be agreed? You saw this guy having this talk with his girl about them getting married, and she's only interested in what she wants. It can't go like that. It's not going to work. The two of you have to be able to come to this understanding that, all right, if we're not having a big wedding, we're having a small one, and the money we can save from that, we're going to do this with it, we're going to take care of this. You have to have that understanding. Of course, you should allow the man to lead. If he's not entirely certain, as a woman who should be educated, who should understand the world, understand finances, understand the economy and how things are going, you can make little suggestions here and there, like nudge him in the right direction. Be like, all right, well, this is making money right now, so we might want to look at this long term, see if we can do it. Or, stock market has always been lucrative, even if it dips and has crashes, it always recovers. So why don't we put some of that money in there, put some money in real estate, put some money here. This is how you protect the king. That's how the queen protects the king. She is literally supposed to be standing behind that throne in his ear, like, Marcus and them is coming for you. They've been talking shit. Like, we gotta check those boys. Not going and tell Marcus what he's up to so he can infiltrate the king's court, the king's cabinet, and then come up and take the king's crown. These women don't know how to operate. But that last one, she sure does. I'd like to give her another round of applause. Just because. They probably broke the mold when they made her. But hopefully there's a few women out there like that, and you will run into one of them, and you will have the kind of fulfilling life that you want to have under, the leadership of the man. This woman can do great things. I'm pretty sure of it. Whoever this guy is, he's obviously very lucky to have her. That's the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, of course. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm, and make sure you share it with everybody. Sharing is caring, so help a brother out. Share this content, like it, subscribe to the channel. And of course, until next time, I'm out. Peace.